Hey there, it's nice to meet you. I'm John LaGuardia. I'm the founder of LaGuardia Adventure Photography, and I'm a Colorado native. I've been a photographer for about 10 years now, and I primarily focus on outdoor photography, so things like adventure sports, outdoor lifestyle, landscapes, aerial drone imagery, and I'm also a certified FAA pilot as well for drones. So what I think sets me apart from other photographers is the way I communicate with my clients. When you hire me, you'll always know what the process is going to be like, what the next steps are, and I'll never surprise you with any hidden fees or agendas. I'm a straight up kind of guy. So I've been married for about 23 years to my wife Shelly. We have 2 kids and a Brittany Spaniel named Bogey, and everybody has, you know, some kind of fetish or something like that, so I find that I can't get enough of flat brim hats and iced tea as well. So if you want to send me something in the mail, those are items that get me totally pumped up. I'm putting this quick video together so that you can get to know me a little bit better, and I look forward to getting to know you better as well as we create some awesome photographs with you in the future. And some of the things that I'm talking about today too also answer some common questions that I get from people. One thing that I love to do every day is get outdoors, whether that's just running with the dog or out on a big hike or mountain bike ride, something like that. I hope that my imagery inspires you and encourages you to get outside and enjoy the natural world. There's adventure around every corner. Oh, and before I forget to ask you about it, could you do me a quick favor? Would you click the icons below and follow me on social media? That would mean the world to me. Thanks so much. The links are at the bottom left of this page, and if you're watching on YouTube, they're also in the description below. So thanks so much. Appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. We'll talk soon. I'm out.